Hey guys, today we're going to be playing Pokemon Go. I don't want you, Ursula. I really do want you, but I can't get you. We're going to be doing Pokemon Go. I don't have any Pokeballs. Just wasted a bunch of my Pokeballs, but I got a Snorlax out of it, so Pokeballs and Great Balls, I should say. Oh, that Snorlax is hard to get, but I got it. I'm just going to do an egg capture. Burn on my fingers. We're going to be doing an egg hatch. Egg hatching. I already did one. Don't worry, guys. Only a shoulder. It was supposed to be a shoulder. It was a nice shoulder. I can admit that. A nice shoulder. Got some shoulder candy for it. And then we're doing 2 kilometer egg right now. You may have saw in the beginning. I noticed I'm playing with messing up everything. Going up a huge right now. I don't like it. Hey people in your cars. Just went up a huge hill. It's not too big of a hill, but it's a hill, alright. Make 2 more runs after this. I'm gonna do some bottle cap eating. Like not actual bottle caps, candy bottle cap. Cause I really like soda. Sister really likes soda. I looked at some of the flavors. Pretty good. Hope my sister doesn't eat them all. Oh my god! Oh god, this hill. Oh god, this hill did not just die in this hill, right? Especially for YouTuber, that's only a camera! Holy! Holy moly! Holy moly skiddly. I'm not even pedaling right now. Ah! I'm scared. I am scared. Wow. Okay, guys. Come to a stop near the tree where the squirrel almost ate me. Oh god, the bumps are unreal. Bro, this is so hard. Stupid dog over there, I don't like him. He's annoying. Police, he's annoying. I'll arrest him. He's annoying. I'll arrest him. Imagine you could do that. Someone just be being a complete jerk. And you're just like, police, being a jerk to me. Send him to jail. Oh, that's where the dogs were. Look how cute it is. Oh, it's the other. Trying to take him. Oh, look at this. Dogs need days, alright. Sometimes I wish we never had that. Alright. Julian, you owe YouTube money, boys. Julian, you owe YouTube money, boys. Yeah, man. Trying to run me over. Do they know who I am? I'm a YouTuber. Can you not see the camera in my hand while I'm riding my bike? People these days. Huh. They disgust me. Especially people that don't know how to drive. Huh? I may come back, do a video pretty late at night, maybe 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. Maybe 5 o'clock. And then I'm going to be doing, I can go fast on the street. Oh god, I'll be doing Pokemon Go. Maybe I'll have my grandpa go take me out. Pokestops. Get some Pokeballs. back. I have Pokeballs. I have Espeons that I can catch. All the other parts of the Eevee family. It's gonna be all good. All good, good. I got good, good, good. Oh gosh, I better hurry up. 8 minutes left on the camera. Sometimes I hate Pokemon Go really bad. Ooh. Just Pidgeys. Do you know where I came from? I came from Europe. I came from Europe. Where did you come from? Oh, God. Like I said, maybe later on, me and my papa will go and we'll go on Pokemon balls. See what I can get. Maybe I'll get some good stuff. Maybe I can get some great balls and then I can look for really rare Pokemon. I noticed as they do more and more updates, harder Pokemon are easier to catch now. Like Ivysaur, I almost caught an Ivysaur, but the Ivysaur was lucky I didn't have any Pokeballs. I would look for it. I would have hunted it down. I would have too. Seriously would have, man. Alright, I'm gonna go. It's gonna be my last stop. I'll be walking anyway. Alright, I had to get some nose in my eye. I'm tired. So I'm editing a video 4:53 in the morning. I'm like, come on. What are the things that I do for YouTube? Right? Teach me how to do this. Maybe I can go up the hill again. And I'll go up the hill again. And I'll be able to get my college degree. Kidding. College degree. Not even in college or high school. How am I going to get a college degree? Ooh. Hit a curve. Hit a curve. Not good. Ooh. So was the time. It ain't good. I'm at 13 minutes on the camera. I better bolt it. Let's go. Up and away. 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 My butt's hurting. 4 minutes left. I'm gonna run up there. And like exercise. I'm gonna earth something. I don't like racing. Just go away. This is making my head I could catch you earlier, I wouldn't be telling you to go away. I can't catch you, so I'm telling you to just go away, man. I don't like you. Whew. Keep getting rubber burn. My handles are made out of rubber. And when that happens, you have your handle, you're like, your wrist on the handle, because you're holding the camera. Because you're trying to control with one hand and a wrist, trying to control a huge bite. It's not easy. Whew. Hurt my leg all the way at the top of the hill. It goes all the way back, down there, back, all the way back. All the way back for one week here. Oh gosh. I only have about 2 minutes left. I better get back quick. Lightning quick. Whew. Hold the camera. Ooh. This is a better position. Holy moly. Holy moly. Holy moly. Why? Why am I doing that? Tell me. Because I'm putting my feet up. Good. Putting my feet up on the peg. So, when I put my feet up on the peg, it's supposed to pull back down. When it's supposed to let it down, it's more out of control. So, it makes the bite go out of control. Gosh, dang. I don't know. That's going to be my screenshot, guys. Just waiting for the video to end. Whenever you don't want to end it, it can end. I'm just going to be standing right here. Camera. Listen to it. Trying to get different shots of the tree with the sun in the way. It's like a perfect shot right there.